I no longer buy blinds and shades. I make them myself in 5 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper with scissors along this line. Measure 3 centimeters from the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the opposite direction. Do it just like I show in the video. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will start to form a pleated effect. When the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you will have a pleated roll. Lay it horizontally on a table. Measure 10 centimeters from each end with a ruler. Then take a drill and make a hole. Use a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string clamp at one end. Tie a loop so the string doesn't slip out. On the other end of the wallpaper, tape the end of the string to the wallpaper with adhesive tape. Do this on the non-patterned side. Repeat these steps for the second hole. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and attach the shade to the top frame of the window. And it's done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated blind. You can adjust it using the stopper on the string. It beautifully decorates the window. It blocks light and neighbors' glances. This kind of blind is amazing and unique. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? When the heat is at its worst, grab some aluminum foil and a spray bottle. This duo will save you this summer. All you need is a bit of water in the spray bottle. Spray water over the entire surface of the window. Now, get some regular aluminum foil. This foil has a shiny side and a dull side. Tear off a piece of the foil and place it on the window with the shiny side facing out. The shiny side acts like a mirror, reflecting light. The damp window makes the foil stick to the glass instantly. Remember, the shiny side must be facing outside the house. Cover the entire window that is exposed to sunlight this way, piece by piece, until the foil covers the entire pane. The layer of aluminum foil will protect you from the heat. The reflective side effectively bounces the light away. This is a simple trick used by many people in Mediterranean countries. The heat no longer bothers me as much since I started using this method on all my windows. Here's a method for dealing with those awful smelling bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted pests. These bugs, known as brown marmorated stink bugs, are dangerous to plants. They're notorious for the unpleasant odor they release when threatened or crushed. If you spot one in your home, it's important to resist the urge to touch or squash it, as that will release its foul-smelling secretion. As the weather cools, stink bugs seek warmth and shelter, typically entering homes in late summer and fall. However, there's a tried-and-true method to avoid these bugs. All you need is a CD. Take a CD and tie a string to it. Simply hang it by the window, and the light reflecting off it will repel the bugs. Another very effective trick is to place the CD inside your plants. Many bugs hide under plant leaves, but the CD can easily deter these stink bugs and other pests. It's a cheap but very effective trick. I always do one thing before washing my curtains. They turn out snowy white, just like new. What can you add to the wash to make your curtains white? Look for the right ingredients in your kitchen. First, prepare a basin. Pour in 3 liters of water. To achieve the best results, we'll combine a few tricks into one. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of salt. This effectively removes stains and restores the snowy white color. The next ingredient is citric acid. You only need to add 1 tablespoon. Also add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the water, which gives excellent results. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The last surprising ingredient is an aspirin tablet. Add 2 to the basin. Now you can soak the curtains and leave them in the basin for 2 hours. The combination of these ingredients works better than chemical bleach. After this time, put the curtains in the washing machine and wash them. The previously soaked material won't have dirt in its fibers, so the curtains will be snowy white again. I no longer buy blinds and shades. You won't believe it, but I make them myself in 10 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure out 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Measure out 3 centimeters at the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure out another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the other direction. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will form an accordion-like pattern. Once the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you'll have a pleated roll. Mark the center and drill a hole with a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string stopper to one end. Tie a loop to prevent the string from slipping out. On the other end of the wallpaper, attach the end of the string with adhesive tape. Do this on the side without the pattern. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and stick the blind to the upper window frame. And you're done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated shade. You can adjust it with the string stopper. It beautifully decorates the window. It shields from light and neighbors' eyes. The string in the center allows for a beautiful fan effect at the bottom of the blind. Such a blind is stunning and unique.